making macaroni salad, the classic popular summer side dish we all grew up eating. I love barbecues and picnics and serving this alongside corn on the cob, potatoes, hamburgers for the ultimate spread. So I've already started my noodles boiling and I am using brown rice pasta today. I love brown rice pasta because it is literally brown rice and water, and that's it. And it is so good and much healthier for you. So I'm gonna be using my handy dandy slammer to chop my onions and my pickles today. So first I'm gonna go ahead and start with my onions, and I actually use the smaller gauge for my onions because I like my onions to be a little bit smaller in my macaroni salad. All right, so now that we have my onions chopped, we're going to be putting them in our bowl. This macaroni salad seems to be a little easy, a little simple, since most people tend to go to the grocery store and just go to the deli section and buy like the pre-made prepared salads for parties. But I'm telling you, this pasta salad can be so easy. You won't even be worth going to the grocery store trip to get the extra sides because it is amazing. Plus, it's vegan. All my recipes are actually vegan, which is really nice. You can get all my recipes in my new cookbook called Believe It or Not. So you can go to my website today, valmorehealth.com, to get your cookbook today. So I'm actually gonna be adding crushed olives in next. Crushed olives, onions. So the last bit of this, the last bit of vegetables that are gonna be added into this is pickles. Now, I love these Bubby pickles. Oops. I'm actually gonna be changing out my gauge because I love these Bubby's pickles so much that I actually use the larger gauge on my chopper to chop these pickles because I love the flavor. Now, the reason why I love these Bubby pickles so much is because they're not marinated in vinegar. Ellen White mentions many times on Counsels on Diet and Foods to stay clear from vinegar. On page 345 of Counsels on Diet and Foods, she shares how foods prepared with vinegar do not digest properly. Therefore, your blood is not nourished and can cause difficulties in your bodies. So, now that we know that, it's easy to find things that don't have vinegar. These pickles are actually so good. They're marinated in a lot of garlic, which I feel really adds to this recipe. Okay, last pickle. The next thing we're gonna be doing is we're actually gonna be adding Veggienase into this mixture. Yummy. These pickles smell amazing. I can't wait for you guys to try these pickles and to try this recipe. So now that we have everything chopped, I'm gonna throw my Veggienase into my bowl. Now please keep in mind that when you're adding Veggienase to this recipe, you're actually gonna be adding enough Veggienase not only for this vegetable mixture, but you're gonna be adding enough Veggienase for the pasta later on, because what we're gonna be doing is we're just going to be adding enough Veggienase for the pasta and the vegetables. So this is my favorite kind of Veggienase. I love the grapeseed oil Veggienase with the purple cap. I don't know, for some reason I just feel like the actual flavor of this Veggienase is so much better than the other ones, but the other ones are just as good. So we're gonna toss this around, mix this up. The only other thing that we're gonna be adding to this is going to be a little bit of garlic powder. So I've got my garlic powder, toss that in there, and voila, you're done. How incredibly easy is that? Now all we have to do is get this pasta drained and add it to our mixture. Okay, let's check on our pasta. Oh, This is done. Fantastic. Okay, let's get this over. Okay, so it's really, really important to actually cool down your pasta quite a bit, because we cannot have this hot, steamy pasta be added into our mixture, because then it's just gonna heat everything up. So I always run a ton of cold water over my pasta. You can even throw it in the refrigerator for a little bit if you wanted to, just to make sure that it's nice and cool and that you're not gonna be accidentally heating up your macaroni salad. So that looks pretty cool. All right. Now our noodles are completely rinsed off, nice and cool. And we're gonna go ahead and add this to our mixture. Oh, we are ready for a party. Look at this. How exciting. Oh, I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. It is yummy, yummy, yummy. So how easy is this recipe? In fact, by the time this pasta is done cooking, your entire meal is ready. So seriously, the hardest part of this recipe is waiting for the water to boil. So now that you have this, all you have to do is mix it up. I would recommend throwing it in the refrigerator for about an hour to make sure it just really cools off, because I like my pasta salad chilled, and it is absolutely delicious that way. I love God so much because He gave us the health message and health principles to follow. He wants our bodies and our minds to be clean and clear so we can be happy and healthy. It says in Jeremiah 33:6, "Nonetheless, I will bring health and healing to it. I will heal my people and will let them enjoy abundant peace and security." What a beautiful promise from God that He wants us to be happy and healthy. So to be able to do that, we need to eat healthy, just like this pasta salad. So I'm so glad you guys joined me. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I love making it for you. I'll see you next time.